4 into 8 into 16, then x plus y square. Here we can split 4 is 2 square, 8 is 2 cube, and 16 is 2 power 4, which is equal to power, add the power because bases are same, so 9. Here we need this, here bases are equal to power is equated, x plus y equal to 9, therefore x plus y the square equal to 81. Option B. Here root of x over y plus root of y over x minus 5 over 2 equal to 0, and x plus y equal minus y equals 0, we get the roots as. Here we have to better to use hit and trial. That means we can use these options and get the values. Here most probably this, because y square root of 4 is 2, that is a perfect square. Other thing is not possible. So we'll try that. So square root of x is 1, y is 4. Then square root of y is 4 by 1 minus 5 over 2. Look at this, 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2, and 4 square root is 2 by 1 minus 5 over 2. So we have LCM is 2, 1 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5, which is equal 0 by 2 is 0. So it is satisfied. And also x plus y minus 5 equals 0. Here this x is 1, y is 4. So we let that is correct, because 1 plus 4 minus 5 equals 0 also possible. So here option A. Then third question, if 2 minus root 3 is one root of the x square plus alpha x plus beta equals 0, then alpha and beta. Here note this is third 2 minus root 3. If one root is 2 minus root 3, other root must be 2 plus root 3 because it's a conjugate. So therefore first root 2 minus root 3, second root is 2 plus root 3. Therefore we know that quadratic equation x square plus sum of the root 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3 dx minus sum of the root and product of the root. Product of it is 2 minus 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 equals 0 is the forming a quadratic equation. So simplifying square, here root 3 and root 3 this 2 plus 2 is 4, it is minus 4x, and 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3 is squaring sum of the squares, that is what difference of squares. So 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3 equal to 0, which is equal x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So we have to find the equation is given. So comparing that equation, that is x square plus alpha x plus beta. Here in place of alpha this minus 4 and beta equal to 1. So that our option is minus 4 and 1. Which is here minus 4 and 1 Option C. Question number 4. The roots of the equation x cube minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 12 has three real roots. They are, that means here better to substitute the values and check. So first minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Then 2 minus 2 cube. And say, suppose we are using, then minus 2 square is plus 2, then minus 6, then 4, minus 2 into 4 is plus 8 and plus 12. Is it 0? Check here, minus 14. Minus 14 plus 20, it is not equal to 0. Like this, you have to try. So check one more time. This also check with minus 2, check one more time. This minus 8 and 2, which is equal to minus 2 is 4. This is a 12. Sorry, here minus 2 whole square is 4. This is 12. So 12 and so minus plus 8 and minus 12. So both, so it's 0. So first is first hit itself, it's correct. So it comes to 0. That means I am substituting even this 2 also you have to check, because everywhere minus 2 also another option also minus 2. So check with this 2. So 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 12 equal to 0. Check this one. 8. Yeah. 2, 4 minus 12. Here minus 8 plus 12 equal to 0. So this minus 2 and 2, that option is correct. Even 3 will check. 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 12. 27 minus 27 minus 12 plus 12. So exactly option A is correct. Next question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c, then the equation of whose roots are 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Suppose take the sum of the root one over alpha plus 1 over beta, which is equal alpha beta alpha plus beta. Sum of the roots. Which is sum of the root is equal to minus b by a, and product 1 over alpha into 1 over beta, which is equal to 1 over alpha beta, equal product of the root c by a. Therefore, equation is x square minus sum of the root is alpha plus beta over alpha beta, then product of the root 1 over alpha beta equal 0. Therefore, x square, the sum of the root is minus b by a. Here minus minus plus b by a plus c by a. No, here, look at this. This sum of the roots equal to this minus b by a. Here sum is minus b by a over the product of root is c by a plus 1 over alpha beta is c over a. So x square plus, that is minus here, minus b by a into a by c plus a by c. A cut. So here x square minus b by c x plus a by c equal to 0. Now take LCM as c. It is cx square minus bx plus a equal to 0. Then cross multiply, it becomes 0. Therefore, our option is cx squared minus bx plus a. Cx squared minus bx plus a. Cx squared minus bx plus a, which is look at your material. This one x squared minus sum of the root. Sum of the root is this. We are already minus there, so it's plus. So our option is cx squared plus bx plus a. That means you have to use this way. Sum from the reciprocals 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. This here. Because here alpha beta, sum of the root is minus b by a. Then next question number. A fertilizer company produces two types of fertilizers. Then we'll make the small table. Look at here. May look at here. This plant A, because two plants. They are the factory using two plants. Suppose plant A, plant B. Then grade is 1, grade 2. Look at here. Plant A produces, each this type is processed by two critical chemical plant. Plant A has maximum 120 hours available. This maximum 120 hours. This is hours, 120 hours. And available with plant B is maximum 180. Maximum means this side 180. And grade 1 fertilizer 6 hours. For grade 1 is 6 hours. Grade 2 is requires 3 hours. For plant B, similarly plant B 3 hours. 3 hours. So for first is 4 hours and 4 hours and 3 hours. Yeah. This is a, we'll make the equation which is here. This, how to make this equation. So that is let it be this x. First is x. This y. Here 6x plus 3y total, and it should be 120, and 4x from this 4x plus this is 10, this 10 hours 4x and 10y equal 180, because it is a maximum hours available is 120, second plant 180. So this is your option, that optimizing, that is this is the first equation is option 1 is A is correct, because this equation satisfies this one. Next question, if the annual rate of simple interest increases from 10% to 12.5%, a man yearly income increases by 1,250. His principal is, here principal here increase, after increase his interest, let the sum is x, sum invested is x, then PTR by 100, P sum invested is x, time is let it be times 1, P 1 year, and for 1 year this interest is 12.5, that is 25 by 2 into 100, PTR of 100 minus, this is a after increasing, before that x 10 into x into 1 into, suppose we are keeping common 1 here, PTR 100% is 10 upon 100. So we have 25x by 200 minus 10x by 100 equal, this different amount is 1250. So 200 is LCM, that is 25x minus 2 into 10 is 20x equal 1250. So 5x equal to 1250 into 200, cross multiplying. when x equal to 1250, 200 divided by 5. It is 40. So x is here 4 multiplied 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 carries, 2s are 8, 9, 4 ones are 4. His investment is 49. X is 50 comes here. This is 50, not 49. 50,000. His investment is 50,000. Option B. Question number 8. A man divided his share between his son A and B, sons A and B, such that a way that the simple interest received by A at 15% per annum 3 years is double the interest received by B at 12% for 5 years. Both interest we have to, simple interest we have to calculate. Let the amount here, that the amount is, the amount invested is X. So first into 15% per annum for 3 years, PTR upon 100, which is equal, he says, AB such that the way that the simple interest received by A double the interest received by B. Or for second son, investment is Y into 12% interest, Y is by 100. So this cut, so 45x equal 60y. So we need in what ratio is share divided. Then first x by y we need x over y equal 60 over 45. 4 15s are 63. So 4 is to 4 is to here one more 2 we have because it's a 2 times. So it is 2 times. So this is 120 here. Because this is a 2 times given, then y 120y. X by y is 120 by 45. 120 by 45 by 5 cut. Y is cut 2 5s are 10, 24, and 5 is 9. Further 24, 3 8s are 24. So 8 is to 8 over 3. So option D. Next question. A man divided his share between his son and the simple interest received. This question is done. Next, ninth question. A person invests money in 3 different schemes: 6 years, 10 years, 12 years. at rate percent is given this. Simple interest respectively. At the completion of each scheme, you get the same interest or the ratio of investment. Your interest is same for everywhere. First is let the sum is x into or 6 years into 10% by 100 equal. Second is same x is let it be second investment is y into for 10 years percentage is 12 by 100 and equal third is z. Third scheme is 12 and interest is 15 over 100. So here cut this one. Therefore 60x equal 120y equal here for 12 into 15. 2 into 15 is 30. 180 it is 180 z. So all divided by same that is 60. X equal 2y equal 3z. So then divided by sixth root, that is x over, so which equivalent ratio is value x y z is equivalent to 1, that is half, and 1 over 3. So multiply by 6 throughout this ratio, this becomes 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. So this is the ratio of investment of these three persons is 6:3:2. Option D. Next question. Find the present value of 10,000 rupees to be required after 5 years if the interest rate is 9%. So the present value formula, you have to remember A amount over 1 plus R upon 100 over n number of years. Therefore, amount is 10,000. So 10,000 over 1 plus R is R upon 100 is for 9%, that is 0.009 over number of years 5. 10,000 over 1.09 power 5. So by using calculator, if allowed, you can use it. Otherwise, you have to multiply 1.09 into 5 times and divide. It approximately gives 6499. That already is option C. So far, we discussed and solved problems regarding CA Foundation aptitude. Quantitative aptitude. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.